Oxford Handbook of Clinical Dentistry. Okay. 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 It's here. The new edition of the best-selling pocket guide to clinical dentistry, and an essential purchase for all dentistry students and anyone involved in the care of dental patients. The major restructuring of this edition ensures a wealth of new material, including information on caries risk assessment, new preparation techniques, the latest developments in pediatric dentistry, including new restorative approaches and behavior management, dietary advice, and treatment of a handicapped patient. Also added is a color plate section to assist with the identification of oral medicine lesions, pathology, and interpreting restorative techniques. Okay. The 18 chapters, and there's an index at the end. The 18 chapters are history and examination, preventive and community dentistry, pediatric dentistry, orthodontics, periodontology, restorative dentistry, prosthetics and gerodontology, oral surgery, oral medicine, maxillofacial surgery, medicine relevant to dentistry, therapeutics, analgesia, anesthesia and sedation, dental materials, law and ethics, practice management, syndromes of the head and neck, and 18 is useful information and address, and then there's an index. Now, of course, it's published by Oxford University Press, which website is www.oup, oxforduniversitypress.com. oup.com is the web address. Reviews from the previous edition. You're the best will make you better is the promise of a Top Gun school to its fighter pilots. This handbook is in the same mold. As a specialist, I read this handbook with pleasure and shame. Pleasure at a lucid, concise style, and shame at how much I've forgotten that the authors cover comprehensively. International Dental Journal. So, let's just sort of have a look at some of the pages. There it is. I got mine on eBay. It's by David A. Mitchell and Laura Mitchell with Paul Brunton. Extensive updates assisted by new contributors. New color plate section includes latest developments in all branches of dentistry. The 4th edition. Okay. Now, I've read a little bit of it. I'm no dentist, but it looks quite useful, and it's a kind of book I think that a regular person can probably read okay and actually learn about dentistry. Just a layman can probably read this and learn a bit about dentistry just from reading it well enough. It's not too techy. It's not too challenging to read. A person of a mature age should be able to get most of the ideas in here well enough. So it's even a year 10 student should be able to work it out well enough, or even a year 7 student can probably work it out okay, I think. So it's a reasonably good book, and yeah, there you go. Just a bit of information on that. Cheers.